Unicorn friends. Welcome back to Unicorn Book Club. Today we're going to be reading Cinderella Dressed in Yellow for Toddler Tuesday. I said Toddler Tuesday really weirdly. Anyway, let's get started reading before I hiccup again. Too late. Cinderella Dressed in Yellow. Adapted by Roseanne Williams. Cinderella, dressed in yellow, went downstairs to kiss her fellow. How many kisses did he get? Cinderella, dressed in red, went downstairs and bumped her head. How many bumps did she get? Cinderella, dressed in blue, went downstairs to find her shoe. How many shoes did she find? Cinderella, dressed in green, went downstairs to eat ice cream. How many scoops did she get? Cinderella, dressed in gray, went downstairs and out to play. The end. What did you guys think? What did you guys think? It's Toddler Tuesday, so I want you guys to comment down below your review. Anyway, guys, that's the end of it, and I'll see you when I flip to the next page. Bye!